What's up guys? Today I'm checking out another pre-built gaming PC. This is the Player One Prime by NZXT. Now first of all, big shout out to Team NZXT for sending over this impressive gaming machine for me to test and review on the channel. Now before we begin, I want to let you guys know that NZXT is offering an impressive festive promotion giving all customers £100 off any PC build and completely free shipping. Now the offer started from the 21st of December and it's going to run until the 26th of December. So if you were planning on getting one of their builds, now would be a good time to save you guys some good old cash. So this is the Player One Prime. It's priced from just £949 for the standard version without any extras, or £1099 for the Prime version, which I have here. And of course you still have options to upgrade certain components for a better overall performance. So let me show you what we're working with here. Now the case is the NZXT H5 Flow. Now you can pick this up in white or black. I opted for the black version as it suits my setup and I really like how it looks. It's a nice compact mid-tower airflow case with a perforated front panel with two LED fans, an angled fan at the bottom, great cable management, and a single screw to remove the tempered glass panel so you can access the internals. Now the installed motherboard is the MSI B760 with Wi-Fi, which has an Intel LGA 1700 CPU socket, and it is compatible with 12th, 13th and 14th gen Intel processors. The board supports the very latest Wi-Fi 6E, you have 2.5 gigabit LAN, Bluetooth 5.2, you've got USB 3.2, we have PCIe version 4 and supports DDR4 dual channel RAM. The board also features MSI steel armor, which is reinforced, heavily soldered connections to support the weight of heavier graphic cards, etc. So great board, made to last, lots of connectivity on the back, including HDMI DisplayPort and more. Now for CPU, you can choose either the Core i5 12600K or the 12400F. I actually chose the 12600K as I needed that extra performance, as I'm also going to be using it for content creation, video editing, graphic design, etc. So the 12600K is 10 cores, 16 threads with a 3.7 GHz base and up to 4.9 GHz turbo. For graphics, the Player One Prime comes with the NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti, which is quite a capable graphics card, and we're going to be testing that a little bit later in this video. Now I did upgrade my RAM to 32 gigs of DDR4. The configuration I received was 4 8GB sticks, Kingston Fury branded with customizable LEDs, and yeah, they look great. For the storage, I opted for 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD, and nowadays you need that space to accommodate those massive game sizes. I mean, COD Cold War, which is one of my favorite COD games, I know it's old, but it's over 200 gigs in size, so 2TB is definitely needed for me. Now this PC uses an air cooler for keeping the system running cool. You have plenty of fans with great airflow. I've actually set my fan LED colors based on system temperatures. So green color means the system is running under 50 degrees Celsius. If the LEDs turn blue, that means we could be between 50 to 70 degrees. And if the colors turn red, that means we have exceeded 70 degrees and the system is running hot. Now I've played a lot of games on this already, and I can tell you right now, the system remained green throughout, which is exactly what we want. So no doubt, super excited to start gaming on this. So without further ado, let's play some games.
Rushes and combs from Firenze. Try them. My lady, why not change your hairstyle?
Thank you, but I like it like this.
Huh? Good for you. A woman's hair is her righteous crown.
Beautifully said. The hair is nice like that.
Well, thank you, sir.
I admire these guys. The counter punching. And Tyson Fury just got clipped. The big fella changes everything, and down they go.
Okay, so quick look at the benchmarks, beginning with Geekbench, single core score of 1746 and multi-core score of 10221. And in the Antutu benchmark test, we achieved just over 1.8 million. And finally, here is the CPU benchmark score by Passmark. So it's achieved just over 27k. So there you have it, guys. That was the NZXT Player One Prime. Now, I've been using the Player 3 Prime for a while now, and that is NZXT's most powerful pre-built PC. And you can see them side by side. The Player 3 Prime is a lot bigger in size and weight. Now, I'm actually quite surprised to how good the performance of the Player 1 Prime is. I can play any new AAA game on the highest graphical settings at 1440p and still achieve at least 60 frames per second. The Player 3 Prime allows me to play all my games in 4K resolution and achieving even greater frame rates. But from the two, I'm really liking the simplicity and compactness of the Player One Prime. I like that it's smaller in size, it takes up less space, and to be honest, 1440p gaming is more than enough for most of our needs. Now, I was concerned that air cooling may not be as effective, but I was proven wrong. The PC can run for hours and stay within the safe temperatures. It actually took a lot of effort for me to intentionally get those temperatures up to around 70 degrees. So pretty decent case and effective cooling. The motherboard does not support PCIe 5, whereas the Player 3 Prime does. So not really an issue for me, but for some hardcore gamers out there, they might want that higher spec for future upgrades, etc. So that was my overview of the Player One Prime. I really wanted to see how good the entry-level pre-build performs, and I'm certainly not disappointed with this PC. Awesome product from an awesome brand. Now don't forget the special festive promotion, £100 off and free delivery on all PCs. The offer ends 26th of December. Now that being said, I will leave the links in the description box so you guys can check this product out for yourselves. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and sub. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.